Good afternoon and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. Yes, I said good afternoon. I had to take my car to Roseville to the dealership to have it serviced. And I waited. Got there pretty early and I just got home just a little while ago. So I'm now doing my daily message this afternoon. All right. Last night I prepared my meatloaf. I used cheddar mashed potatoes, and I did creamed corn. I missed my meatloaf. It was great. It was good. Robin took it to work. What was left over. Yeah, she was teasing me. She was texting me when I was at the dealership. Yeah. Creamed corn was good. I wasn't sure what to expect with homemade creamed corn. It's super simple to make. I'll do it again. Tonight, Robin will be getting home late. She has a meeting. This time it's actually local, not in Oakland. So she won't be home till 7:30ish. So tonight I'm actually doing something real simple. Mongolian ground beef noodles. Let's get to it. Got the hardware, got the wok going in the Dutch oven for the noodles. So we got some ground beef. This is a 93.7. The recipe was back here. The recipe is actually just for the meat and the sauce that goes with it. I'm adding some veggies to it. Let's go back. So I'm adding some onion, some Italian-style frozen vegetables. That's what I'm adding. I'll be using, there you go, linguine-style rice noodles. There's garlic. For the sauce is some beef stock, some soy sauce, hoisin sauce, some ginger puree, and I'm going to be using some sriracha to get a little bit of heat going. And there's some brown sugar. Of course, there's kosher salt and black pepper. And there's cornstarch for thickening. And of course, got to have some oil for the wok. So, super simple meal. Yeah. So, on this Thursday, I didn't even tell you what day it was. On this Thirsty Thursday, have a great day. Eat great food. By the way, share some photos. I would love to see what you guys are having. And I'm sure everybody else would like to see what other people create and prepare in your homes. So, eat great food and have fun cooking.